Given y is equal to 4 times x minus 5 raised to power 3 and dy by dx is equal to h of x, we want to find the value of this definite integral. Okay, given by the questions y is equal to 4 times this x minus 5 raised to power 3 and dy by dx is equal to h of x. From here, go here, this is differentiation. So if we want to go backward like this, it will be integration, right? Integration is a reverse of differentiation and vice versa. Okay, want to find the definite integral of this. 0, 4, integrate h of x with respect to x. Now, integrate this one, we should be able to get back this, right? 4 times x minus 5 raised to power of 3, and the upper limit for lower limit is 0. Okay, so the next step is just to substitute the upper limit and lower limit inside here. Okay, 4 times 5 upper limit minus, okay, be careful, when some students see 0, they will just assume that this whole thing is going to be 0. Not every time like this. In this situation, when you substitute there's 0 inside here, you will not get 0. So 0 minus 5. Okay, so just press your calculator. Here you will get negative 4. So this is negative 4 times negative 5 raised to the power of 3. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Negative 5 raised to the power of 3 is negative 125. Okay, just press the calculator. Negative 4 minus 4 times negative 125. You will get 496. Let's look at part B. Diagram 3 shows two cylindrical containers placed on a flat surface. Okay, and it is given that the container have the same volume, these two same volume, and the water is poured into the container at a constant rate of 4 pi cubic centimeter per second. It means that every second, the volume of the cylinder, of the water inside the cylinder will increase 4 pi cubic centimeters every single second. Okay, now we want to find the time in seconds, so here you need to be more careful. Find the time in seconds for the water level in the container Y exceeds the height of container X. It does not exceed the water level of the container X. So you have to be careful. This is the height. This is water level. Okay, now, so first let me find the height of this container X first. Since the question tells us that both of them having the same volume, so it means that how do we find the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square times height, right? I don't know the height. I want to find the height first. They are having the same, they have the same volume, so it's actually equal to pi r square times height. Okay, let me find the height first. This is 100 pi. Okay, just press your calculator. You can cancel the pi. (64) times 12.5, then divided by 100 is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, now we know here is 8 centimeters. Now, this is actually dV dt, right? dV dt is 4 pi. So this is 4 pi cubic centimeter per second. This tells us that every single second the volume increase 4 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, so we want to find the rate of change of the height, dh dt. So dh dt is equal to dv dt. Normally I will do this way. What the rate that I'm going to find, I put on the left hand side, and the given rate I put in the middle like this. And then we try to think we have to multiply something so that we get back this. So here I'm going to use a change rules. So I want dh by dt. So I need dh over here, dv over here. And this is given by the quotient, which is equal to 4 pi. I want to find the dh dv. So how do we get the volume of a cylinder? So volume is pi r square height, right? Now, so dv dh will be equal to 64 pi. 64 pi. Be careful, this is dv dh. So now I want dh dv. So what I'm going to do now next, dv dt given by the quotients 4 pi time dh dv. So I'm going to flip over this one, change the position of denominator and numerator. So it becomes 1 over 64 pi. Okay, just simplify the pi and you will get, okay, this is 1 over 16. So this tells us that every single second, the height will increase 1 over 16 centimeters. Okay, so the question asks us when the water level in the container Y exceeds the height of the container X. Okay, so every single second will increase 1 over 16 centimeters. So t second, it will be 1 over 16 times t, right? And this will be the height of the water level in container Y. So I want this more than the height of container X. And the height of the container X is 8. So more than 8. So T is greater than 8 divided by 1 over 16. 8 divided by 1 over 16. You will get 128. So I think the question should find the range of the time. The range, find the range of the time in second. So normally if to find the time, so the answer will be t is equal to something. So but what we get here is actually the range of t. So let us look at the marking scheme. The given answer is t is greater than 128. So I think it's better that we change the question become find the range of the time in second. Okay, this is a way how do we solve this question.